The construction industry may be seen as challenging, but it can be a very rewarding industry. When a construction company is run well and its processes are streamlined, it'll run more efficiently, setting itself up for success. There are many variables you have to pay attention to, and if you aren't focusing on your workflow in construction, your company may not survive. We'll cover workflow in today's video. Let's get started. Bookkeeping workflow for construction companies. In construction, your workflow would involve not only the bidding, planning, and scheduling, but the execution of tasks on the job site and closing out of the project. This workflow would also happen in this order, with the preceding tasks needing to be completed before moving on. It is the execution and possibly the automation of your business processes where different tasks are completed according to a set of rules. Whether it be on a project or when discussing your bookkeeping, these processes are best set up in the beginning and followed. If you've entered into the construction business, you likely know what your strengths are. Determining your workflow when it comes to bookkeeping, though, may not be one of those strengths. This may be a task that you ask your bookkeeper to provide input on. This is because workflow management is critical when it comes to your construction business bookkeeping. Workflow processes. The processes as well as the specific tasks that are set up are necessary and crucial when it comes to your bookkeeping. If these processes are not set up or they aren't followed, you may find yourself being flagged by the Canada Revenue Agency. This may even result in your company being audited. Another negative result of not following the workflow set out is that you may end up owing more to the CRA than you had anticipated. As with all processes, this workflow is best established early on. Proper workflow in your bookkeeping not only reduces inefficiencies, it streamlines processes and improves the quality of the work being completed. Again, you can start with a flowchart in order to see what your workflow is. It may be something simple like making sure that you have all of your receipts and other important backup from your transactions. Not only do you want all of your receipts, you want them all entered correctly into your accounting software. This is important so that you not only know where your money is going, but also so that you have proof of purchases when it comes time to taxes and potential write-offs. Workflow in accounting also includes identifying transactions, posting transactions, recording in a ledger, recording in a journal, as well as preparing financial statements. Of course, it does need to be done in this order. As we mentioned previously, when your receipts and invoices are entered correctly and in a timely fashion, you are provided with a snapshot of your business that is in real time. You'll always know where your business is at. When your business standardizes workflows and processes, you are reducing risk. Your workflow will ensure that all information is communicated and everyone will know what is expected. If your business is someone completing your book work internally and they take a vacation, these workflow processes will allow someone else to pick up and carry on following the same processes. Your bookkeeping firm will also know what is happening because they follow the same workflow as well. If you have your bookkeeping work completed externally, not only will you have a professional following this workflow, but they'll be keeping you informed so that you'll always know where you're at. Software programs. Your bookkeeper can also assist you in determining which software applications will work best for your construction business. There's an ever-increasing number of software programs available, as well as apps and tools that are specifically designed for construction. Choosing the right one may seem like a challenging task, and they can help you determine which will work best for you. Software programs have been designed to improve your workflow, and they too are constantly improving. One of these programs that can improve your workflow is QuickBooks. Not only does this program help you with reconciling your bank statements, but it can also be set up to deal with recurring transactions and reminders. It can also allow your employees to enter their hours through their smart device and be ready to go when it comes time to payroll. There are many that can let you take images of your receipts and match transactions to their respective invoices. They can also allow you to track your bills, helping you to avoid late fees and to take advantage of possible vendor discounts. There are also programs that can improve your job costing. They can show your tangible materials as well as subcontracted services for specific jobs. By tracking the expense items by individual projects, you can then easily allocate these costs for reimbursement. This can also be set up in the beginning so that it's done on all of your jobs. Having this accurate data when it comes to your bookkeeping is critical. When your employees or subtrades are operating off the same system on their smartphone or tablet, you're getting all the necessary details when they're happening. Whether it involves purchases, customer approval, or kilometers driven, you'll know as it happens. By following these steps, you'll see your construction company's workflow improve, helping you to build and scale your business. Need help from an expert? When setting up your workflow and software, there are a lot of things to remember. Let one of our experts at Valley Business Center help. For over 30 years, Valley Business Center has been providing comprehensive bookkeeping, payroll, and tax services to our clients in Whistler, Squamish, the Sea to Sky Corridor, and Metro Vancouver, BC areas. Valley Business Center provides reliable, effective services to all clients. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to hear more helpful information. Thank you so much for watching.